Hey there, folks. I just wanted to show you some new stuff that we just launched. Um, in Melaleuca, we have a skincare line and a hair care line and our fragrance line that are all Say Bella sponsored. So basically, we just have a third party company that has created all of this to Melaleuca standards, and we are using their label. So we have just launched. I hope you guys saw this on my post already, but we have just launched 4 new skincare sets. Now, in my line of work before, okay, you guys, anybody that knows me knows that I was in Mary Kay for a long time. 4 skincare lines at one time is a really, really big deal. All right, so we have the Vitamin C collection, the Honey and Rose collection, the Deep Marine collection, and the Charcoal and Flower collection. Okay, so those are what they're calling all 4 of those. I saw that and I was like, okay, now what? Like, I don't know what that means. So I'm just going to go through these pretty quick and just show you the differences. And I just want to show you what comes in it. So your vitamin C bundle has 4 products. Okay, so this one's really more of a defense. So I have a lot of really good girlfriends that are experiencing a lot of age spots, especially if you've had children over the age of 30 or 35, which is more common now. It just is. And so now we deal with the black splotches, we deal with hyperpigmentation, anything that really might look like damaged skin. So the vitamin C line deeply cleanses and moisturizes, diminishes age spots and discoloration, neutralizes and protects against outside damage, improves your skin's texture, balances the look and the texture, and improves your skin barrier function. So, in general, like you're going to wash your face, you're going to use your defense and repair serum, which is this guy here. And then during the daytime, you're going to put this moisturizer on, and at night, you're going to use this moisturizer. So it's very easy. Either way you slice it, it's 3 steps. Okay, for this set, it is pretty cut and dry. I'm just scrolling down to see if there's anything else I need to tell you. Currently, right now, all of our more expensive ones are 20% off, where our charcoal one is 15% off. So another way to look at this, again, normal to damaged, meaning it doesn't matter whether it's oily or normal or dry. The charcoal one is for normal to oily skin, and the honey one is for sensitive skin. And then this guy down here is normal to dry but aging skin. So we're going to talk about the other ones just as soon as I click on them. You have to mind my dude. It's been in a hat all day, so I got especially gussied up just for y'all to do this. We've been outside playing basketball in the rain, so took some time, girls. It looks great, doesn't it? Okay, so the Honey and Rose Skin Soothing Recovery Bundle. I get so excited about this. We've had a rose illuminating lotion out for a little while, and it keeps selling out. So this is kind of a takeoff on that, and it excites me. So sensitive skin, it boosts your hydration, works on redness and irritation, improves your skin tone, and it's not going to irritate your skin. Okay, so it is made for sensitive skin. So this is kind of cool. I have never seen anything like this. It's called a balm to oil makeup eraser. So instead of a cleanser, you're going to go in and use a cleansing oil. Okay, so that's an option. Or you have a foam cleanser. I'm still learning this. I think this is just to take your makeup off, and then the other one is actually going to physically clean your skin. Move this back down here. And then you have a toner. It's a little bit of an extra step here. You're going to have a recovery oil, a dual layer serum that's fortified with B12. We know how good that works for our body, right? And then your daily soothing lotion or your night soothing lotion. So you're going to cleanse it, you're going to tone it, you're going to put your skin oil on, and then you're going to moisturize. So that one does have 4 steps. Okay. This though, yeah, I get so excited. There's part of me that's like, ooh, okay, I think I need that. And then I go to another line and I'm like, oh, but I kind of think I need that too. So I am still very much on the fence. And you'll notice right now, again, at 20% off, it's $111. So just to kind of put that in perspective, when my Mary Kay stuff, we had 4 products and they were $110. So very exciting that you're getting a whole lot of extra products and you're really looking at the same price. So they've done such a good job of making sure that these are affordable. Now, this is the Deep Marine collection. I kind of feel like this is where I need to be with the anti-aging and, tightening some stuff right here. But I am pretty oily. Like I'm still in the oily, like the normal to oily, not so much, or combination, not so much normal to dry. So I don't know which one I'm going for yet. But this is normal to dry aging skin. if you're over the age of 30, or if you're not taking really good care of your body, maybe before that, but over the age of 30, this is you. Okay. The first visible signs of aging: improves your skin's firmness and elasticity, reduces the appearance of fine line and wrinkles, improves your plumpness, improves the skin's barrier function, and skin tone and appearance. I think I'm just going to go straight to this one. Like this looks fantastic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. Okay, coming in at $113. Okay, it's 20% off, so we're going to save a little bit of money here. But you cleanse, and then you have, and it's an oil cleanser. So I just think that's super cool. Like it's just made a whole lot different. It uses 8 natural oils and extracts to cleanse and restore your dry aging complexion. And then you have a C toner, which I was like, okay, I don't even know what that is. It's a gel-like toner though. So anything that's left over, you're going to take off all the dirt and balance your pH at the same time. And then we have an active skin treatment. So all of these have some type of serum that goes on between the cleansing and the moisturizing. Okay. And anytime you hear the word serum, just understand that's where all your meat and potatoes is in your skincare. Like that's what packs the biggest punch. And it tells you up here, this is daytime and nighttime. So then you're going to put on your daily lotion, and then at night you're going to put on your nighttime lotion. So this is going to be a lot lighter during the day, and at night it's going to be a rich overnight cream. So this is really, because at night that's when you take time to restore. Your body rests, your skin rests, and so that's when it goes in and does all the recovery work. So I just wanted to highlight these 2 things for you. We have always had with another skincare treatment. Oh, I'm going to try to find it for you if I can. Okay, maybe it's in a different section. I get confused where things are sometimes. So the other thing is our hair care line. I was paying $20 a product for some of my salon grade shampoo and conditioner. I love this. My daughter has really thick and curly hair. This has been a real lifesaver for her. I can't remember which one we use. It's got a reddish top on it, so it's a little bit different there. And then we have dry shampoo, we have styling aids, we have hairspray. I mean, a little bit of everything, but all salon grade. So nothing that you're going to see that's at Walmart or anywhere else. But it's also not going to be drying your hair out and using all the chemicals that you would use earlier. We have all of your face stuff, all of the lip stuff, all the eye stuff. And again, I vetted this very carefully. I would never recommend skincare and makeup that I wouldn't back 100% and wear on my own face. And currently, I have one of the lip glosses. I love their lip glosses. They're just, and they're twice as big. Like the lip glosses are a really tall tube for the same price that I was buying a really short tube for. So, mama likes saving money, right? We have new eyeshadow palettes too that are just fantastic. So, again, I love the new Sabella collection. So I just wanted to highlight that. I'll try to make some more that have different stuff. You can kind of see the departments that we're talking about here. All of these are just different areas that you could just shop in. And that's why when they say we've got 500 products, plus, they add to it every day. I mean, you saw how many we just added to the skincare line right now. So that number goes off the moon all the time. So I feel very comfortable recommending it to you guys, and I was excited, and I just wanted to share with you. So hope you learned something. If you have any questions, by all means, please let me know. If you want to mix and match something, you're like, I'm not really all one or all the other, by all means. Oh, whoa, I just realized I didn't go over the charcoal and flower line. Yikes. Hang on. Here we go. Okay, charcoal and flower line is $65.50. So it's a little cheaper. Still 4 products here. Pore size, you're really reducing oil, mattifies your oily skin, and the appearance of skin tone and texture. So for the most part, this is going to be, they're not really ready for anti-aging yet, but they really need a skincare regimen. So think anywhere from, teenage to, however, at what point you start needing the anti-aging. I hate to put a number on that, but I would say, high school, college, this is kind of where you're going to be. A detoxifying cleanser, a mattifying toner, and then you have your daily lotion, and then you have a mask. So I am all familiar with charcoal masks. I have not tried this one, but I'm pretty excited to do so. So that is this one. I'm trying to think anything else. I think I got them all now. There we go. There's all 3 of ours. So I can't wait to help you out. I can't wait to help you shop. If you have any questions, again, you just let me know. All right, bye for now.